check out what just got dropped off by Amazon. Brand new Hobbywing system for the Jato, man. Time to make this thing fast. Ah, man, that's the good stuff, everyone. Gotta have it. How is everyone doing? Hope you're enjoying the Jato series. I know there's you know, some issues with the car. People aren't happy with the price. Definitely not happy with the performance at this price. And I've had a few people tell me that maybe just better off waiting for the VXL system. But why would I wait? I'm a YouTuber doing RC content, and you know, something new comes out. Why would I want to wait? Because we want to show you this stuff now. So, and I've also had people say that it would be well over $100 to make this like the VXL, and I disagree. This Hobbywing system here was $80, and it's in my Amazon store if you're interested. So this is the 10BL 120 ESC 120 amp with the 3652 brushless 4-pole motor at 4,000 kV. Now this RC stock comes with a 12-tooth pinion. From my little gear calculator, if I run the 12-tooth, I should be at, I think, 60-65, which is where the VXL should be at. I have a 15-tooth that I'm going to run, and it's saying that should be a pretty impressive speed. So I think I'm going to put the 15-tooth in here. We are going to run it on a 4S battery. You guys are going to love this. It's the only thing I have that I think will fit. The 4S that's going to be narrow, that will fit in this chassis. So we got a Spectrum. I am going to have to run an adapter because I'm not going to wire this thing up for a EC or an IC3 connector. So I'm just going to run an adapter. We'll see how it does. Maybe later on we'll solder something together, but this was kind of like the only system I found that I believe will fit. This is a pretty tight setup under the hood here. If you look here, there's just not a lot of room to be had. There's not a lot of real estate in here. So this should, it's a little bit smaller can, both lengthwise and diameter, but also this can size, this motor that's in here is a lot of fan too. So this whole front half is a fan. So I'm hoping this should work out pretty good. So I'm not going to bore you with the whole install. I mean, it's not a very hard thing to do, install ESC and all that. So I'm going to go ahead and get this in. I'll put the programmer on here. We'll do some, we'll just see what the readings are, and we will take it out and give it a run. Man, we'll see how fast. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think this 4,000 kV is going to do for this? Now look, yeah, that's going to fit nicely. This is about the same size of what's in there. It's a little bit narrower that way. I don't think it's going to fit that way. I'm going to have to stick it like that. But yeah, I think this is going to work out perfect. So let me get this installed and I'll check back in with you. Are you ready to see a real thing of beauty? I bet this is the cleanest install you've seen, and probably the first 4S from what I've seen. Now, I know Mark Santa Maria put in a system. I can't remember if it's 4S or just 3S, and Razor did a 3S. Are you ready to see a true 4S? Guys, don't forget to like, hit subscribe, help me out. Just a little bit. It's free of charge. It costs you absolutely nothing. Let's try to zoom in here. Check it out. Hobbywing ES. This isn't really working too well. So we got the motor, got the ESC, even got a fan hooked in here. So I got the fan angled over here, going this way, because the body will be here, and this should give me like the best airflow possible for going in here. If I put it straight up, that body is so flat, you know, I think it's just gonna like choke the fan. So we got the fan angled, so look, it all fits. Got the Spectrum battery. Oh, let me. Spectrum battery fits in here nicely. Wires fit in here. We got the on-off button. Dude, that's spicy. That's got some kick. I can't even hold it. Woo. I cannot wait to go drive this thing. This is gonna be something else. It's really gonna be something else. So I'm not even gonna top off the battery. I'm just gonna run it the way it is. I mean, I haven't used that much of the battery, but so check it. Body goes on. No fuss, no muss. Look at that. Let me know in the comments below your prediction. Maybe you just changed it after seeing how wild this thing is. Oh, that's gonna be crazy. I'm excited. Let's go out there and run it. Hopefully we should have a good 4S run. Whoa. Alrighty. Whoa, yay. The damn tires are ballooning too much to keep this thing straight. That's my big problem now. I think that's probably as best as we're gonna get, because I cannot keep this thing straight. The tires are just, ay, ay, ay. Come on, car. Oh, you see that wheelie? Yeah, it's gonna be hard to get this thing any faster on. $63. Yeah, I guess that's all we're getting out of this setup. I was really hoping for more. Oh wow, scratched up those. Yeah, I guess that's still not a bad. Still not a bad speed. This receiver cutting out. I said it could just be the an antenna issue, which I don't think I'm going to be able to see right now because it's screwed in. Yeah, I bet you the antenna's probably got pulled in somehow. It's probably not all the way out. So I'm just gonna have to, whenever I get home, look at that. But oh wow. Oh yeah, man. It's a freaking rocket now. Whoa! Oh, damn it. I can definitely, I definitely can gear it up. I can go put the 17 tooth in here, and then I will definitely be over 65. I'm not sure if I will. I don't think I really need to prove I can get it over 65. This is the 15 tooth pinion. Because, you know, it's going to get to the point to where if you go too high in a pinion, you're going to start losing any kind of drivability. This thing's already kind of... I bet you it'll probably clear this. Oh, I bet you it'll clear it now. Jeez. Oh man, that thing landed. Oh yeah, because it's such a light car. Oh, it is such a light car. It easily cleared that. Oh, I think this is what, the second 4S to ever clear that. Guys, well, I am happy. Like, everybody's talking $200 something. Let me see still need to get this trim. Like I said, I don't even understand why somebody's talking about the radio. I'm pretty sure, like, my issues that I'm having now, because this is the second transmitter I'm having issues with, and it's only range. I'm thinking that antenna must have pulled out of that tube. Or it's like what they did with my sledge. When they screwed it down, they cut the wire in half. But usually the Traxxas radios have pretty decent range. So for $350, $400, $430, say $5 for the pinion, $435. You're $100 cheaper than what you get with the other one. So yeah, the other one has, I believe it comes with the metal hexes, and it has different tires, but I'm not going to count that because you got to have tires on here. I said, I know for, I mean, look, we got 62. I can break 65 changing that pinion. It's so close. I just don't think it's going to be worth it. Right now, I just want to go ahead and give this thing, I just want to run it kind of hard here, and then we'll do some temperature tests and see what. Oh, wow. Dude, this thing is freaking, this now. Guys, I'm not even going full throttle hitting this stuff. And look at the jumps it's. Ooh. Dude, this thing is freaking wild now. Oh, wow. But you just saw, I mean, it not only cleared this, it cleared the other mount and landed flat over there. That's pretty freaking amazing. Oh no, so wait, we're only at one. See if you can see it. We're only at 146 or 156. Or 165 there. 140. So 140 on this. So 160, I mean, that's not ideal, but it's not. My gear calculator said it was going to be a little bit faster by a good bit. I said it was going to be like 63 if I kept the 12 tooth in there. But I'll tell you what, man. Like I said, I mentioned earlier, I know by changing the pinion, if I go up to the 17, we'll be over 65 easy, probably 68, 70, no problem. But these tires are really gonna be the limiting factor because they are friggin' ballooning. But oh wow, this thing is a freaking, it is freaking wild. Now guys, you can't complain about this. Now you can't complain about how much fun that is. Like I said, check it out in my Amazon store. $80 for this ESC. And then if you want to, you know, $5 for a new pinion, and you got the same exact setup. Now you use whatever battery you want. If you don't have one, then that's going to be a cost for you, maybe a little bit more. But even when you buy these cars, they don't come with the battery, so buy it. Don't buy the 2S. Put that money towards a good 4S pack. But whoo, man, this thing is alive now. She is alive. Oh man. Whew. This, yes, a little too expensive for a 2S, but a very good platform underneath. Very good platform underneath. It's a good base to build on. Wow, this thing is freaking cooking, man. All right, everyone. And obviously I do have a receiver issue, so I'll talk to the hobby shop about that, because that's not right. That shouldn't be. Well, anyhow, the Traxxas Jato on 4S. Probably the first one truly running on 4S. I'm not 100% sure, but it could be. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this. I'll definitely have some more content with this. Maybe we'll gear it up and see what we can get out of it, but I don't know if it's gonna be worth it, because these tires probably gonna rip off. I probably need better tires, but there it is, man. It's possible. Everybody's telling me $200. Nah. It is expensive out of the box, yes, I agree. So 354, 430, there we go. All right, everyone, appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.